This beautiful bird, found in different continents, with unique plumage and distinct colors. Their endearing plumage and distinctive color combinations collectively establish them as one of the most adorable species in the avian world. The eaters, comprising 3 genera and 30 species in the family Neuropodidae. In this video, we'll explore a selection of stunningly beautiful bee-eater species. Most species are found in Africa and Asia, with a few in southern Europe, Australia, and New Guinea. Meet the European bee-eater, renowned for its breathtaking beauty. It shares striking similarities with other bee-eater species in its characteristics. As their name suggests, bee-eaters predominantly eat flying insects, especially bees and wasps, which are caught on the wing from an open perch. They stand out as one of the few bird species that prefer nesting in mud banks near rivers. They demonstrate their expertise by skillfully excavating long, elongated tunnels for nesting. These river banks will be occupied and covered by the bee-eaters before the onset of the breeding season, which typically spans from May to July. These are African carmine bee-eaters. They are not different from their European counterparts. They form colonies by digging burrows in sandy banks, preferably near river shores. Large number of apartment-shaped colonies can also be seen. These colonies serve as the homes for hundreds of bee-eaters, playing a crucial role in reproduction and contributing to the maintenance of the population within the ecosystem. These magnificent birds will continue to play their part in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem, and we hope that they will remain a spectacle for generations to come.